The initial millimoles of CH₃CoOH equals 50 ml times 0.2 m equals 10 mol. The millimoles of NaOH added equals 25 ml times 0.2 m equals 5 mol. The NaOH completely neutralize 5 mol of CH₃CoOH to produce 5 mol of CH₃CoOH. The remaining unreacted CH₃CoOH is 10 to 5 equals 5 mol. Because the solution now contains a weak acid and its conjugate base in strictly equal molar amounts, salt equals acid, it functions as an ideal buffer at its maximum capacity. By the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus log 5 over 5 equals pKa. Therefore, the pH equals 4.74. The answer is 4.74.